And so ya ba ese ba bitu ya dusua so me gidi pa se ultimate assignment no say o hwehwe baby a si ewo guitar fretboard no so na why sofa no to say the no the last lesson no baby to say the boss sofa no ewo E string no so sorry we played it on the B string and it's had the E string a can home and a sofa no the dead to say no we share was strings ning now so you can't home me and sabomo the gene can home gene string no can home sorry and ye de a bar ya bc sroha ain't no the rest no ever wonsem sorry ultimate ehye board no kama na wo hu baby asi wo bia no a na wa hye said ye no wwh whole step half step whole step half step anamonfa sa na de akosi anamonfa no so sa pepe ni na ene no ye de we no e ba be ye enwom a e very common am gidi se nipa be be e wo Ghana de omu ne moto e da na ase ene na very simple na ye de ye wi a na quick one ye wi a na ye duet ene de be ye no okay nti yanko so do mi so fa mi re mi fa mi re do so la so mi fa so fa mi re do mi so fa mi re mi fa mi re do pepe t and assignment no wo de be assignment ni enwom no sua dana se no ewo the E string asie pa no the small one the first string the E string and then the B string patcho yanya sa all right and ti duet no ana ye bekoso no na duet no word a otia emanenya wadwene mu kesene ne simply means two notes combining to form one sound and most at times ayana melody line original the highest note no so which is the root patcho yanya sa okay nti the babe ka ho be bass na konenim na o add more bass to it na form triads the big chords the extensions and the rest but the most important thing is you're having the high notes which is singing the melody okay all right nti and then yen do re mi fa so la ti do yen no na yen fa hye duet no nti say netie answer na betimi ayo do duet no to say the third no e ka ho because the third note and actually say a chord is a major or a minor enti ye the mi ekwa do ho a actually say a do major no ye the more which is E flat instead of E ye flatten E no then the E flat eka the root no ho a which is do no ho a or C no ho a it makes it minor more which say major one a best sound they say me bone minor mi na wasro no ebe flatten e free ha abaha na e so but you nyane sa ti yankoi also no you bit my bone say you bit me so as bone say especially say yeah ball praises are mostly yeah na praises no as a blues kakra bi fra but you borrow tall and more at the fra so but you follow rule no you say we no ye bone say o don sa we mi no say sorry and yet we say the thumb and then the tall finger no which is counting from the thumb 1 2 3 10 we no yeah they can't thumb no na ya bonus so that be we ni betima kan finfin na atimi abo arpeggio den so enti which is about 3 but then we about 2 niti you use we ni you know the thumb and then the tall finger okay sorry esa ko bio enti root and the third ani ye de hwehwe enti ofa do na obeka do any mi ni bass na oba re na wafa re ene fa na wako last wako mi no de obebo E string in the first one free na wasa abo G no so free what obeka ni mi no abom na fa no yabo the fa and the la which is la no the third of fa na yaba so ni ti na la no so yabo no la any do the third of la do na ti no de or diminished chord until no ho ye bedru ho ye besua no ti na ye de ti any re which is the third or the flatted third of B re na ye de do no abewie which is do and mi bi so on ti no say the border na se na be ko say also me arpeggio it no kitten say Mr. and please kindly subscribe to the channel, follow on Facebook, Frank Jesse, share with your friends or anyone who has the desire to learn guitar. God bless you and stay blessed and be blessing unto others also.